Okay, I'm going to try to shoot some video while I'm grading. Obviously I can't do it very good since I'm already in the bank. This is a very limited traveled road, and I'm out here just kind of knocking weeds down. This is a 770G standard rack controls. I use right hand lift. The two outside levers there lift my blade. The next one in is my rear steer. This machine is brand new. It's got 3 hours on it. They changed the main beam on the G model. The D had a real low beam. G has a high beam, as you can see it out there in front of me. Changed the dash, narrowed it up, narrowed the beam so you can see past it easier, get a little better visibility down each side of the beam. We run 17.5 radial tires, 14-inch mow board. This mow board is their big mow board. They offer a 27-inch now, so that's what we got, 27-inch height, inch thick diameter, inch thickness steel, a lot heavier mow board. Allows you to carry a lot more material without it coming over the top, which is always good. Deere also changed their rear view mirrors in the G model. Give you a lot taller mirror, a lot better visibility to the ground, plus being back behind you. See, I can see my tires, see the top of my first tire and about half of the back one. Plus I can see back down the road. I'm running, what am I running? 6.7 mile an hour. Wide open in fourth. When I finish in sixth at 14 mile an hour. This machine, I didn't check the air pressure in the tires. They're too low. If you notice, once in a while my camera will kind of move up and down. It wants to lope real bad. It's probably got 30 pounds or less air in the tires. It needs to have 35 or 40, then it won't do that. This is a Tier 4 engine. It's noisier than my old engine. My other machine was a 4-year-old D, John Deere 770D. This is a lot bigger engine, about 30 more horsepower, but it is Tier 4 compatible, and it just seems to me like it's a little noisier than the other one was. Pulled myself off the road. Hard to keep track of all this with one hand. Try to get myself straightened out here. So with a one-hand control, I can get myself pointed straight down the road. My thumb's on the rear steer. 2 fingers are on the blade lift. So if I'm turning around, I can rear steer and lift my blade at the same time, run the steering wheel with my left hand. Can't imagine why anybody would want to run a rack grader with the blade lifts out on the end. Never could understand that. I've always had mine one-hand lift.